Hello, welcome to Basic Search and Academic Search Complete. To begin, to make sure that you are within Academic Search Complete, make sure that the wording here highlighted in green says Academic Search Complete. If not, click on Choose Database, is highlighted in blue, and in order to make sure that Academic Search Complete is checked off. Now, and then furthermore, you can also check to make sure that these features highlighted in white are are correct in the blue tab here at the top of the page, because the features are different depending on the database. Now, given these multiple search boxes, you may notice that we are in advanced search, but we're not ready for that yet. So to get to basic search, click on basic search highlighted in blue here. Now, before inputting a basic search, we'll discuss some of the features first. Down below, under search modes and expanders, the Boolean / phrase searches all your keywords as inputted here into the search box. Find all my search terms, however, automatically inputs an AND Boolean operator between your terms. Find any of my search terms automatically applies an OR Boolean operator between your search terms. The smart text searching allows you to search and put as much information as you want, including entire phrases, sentences, paragraphs, and even pages. This allows you to look for entire quotes within an article or to find references where you only have partial information but not the entire citation field. Now, over on the right here, apply related words will search for your key terms, including any synonyms or plurals that are associated with your key terms. So like if you were to input neoplasm, for example, it would also include tumor, like words like tumor, tumors, and the variations in spelling. Now, below, underneath, search within the full text of articles. This will indeed search for key terms located within the full text, including abstracts and references. But this is more for key terms that don't qualify for the field codes, such as SU for subject, AU for author, and TX for text. Now, below, under apply equivalent subjects, this will allow you to utilize the mapped vocabulary in order to apply more precision to your key terms that, again, don't qualify. Now, scrolling down, there are limiters that you could apply to your search before you even begin. Under limit your results, if you check off full text or peer-reviewed, scholarly peer-reviewed journals, this will only retrieve full text articles or scholarly peer-reviewed journals. So, and then down here under publication, if you heard of a topic from, but you only know the publication came from, but you don't know any other citation fields, this is a good feature that you use in order to begin your search. Now, you can also down here below under number of pages, you can select whether you only want to draw up a certain amount of pages. Now, under image quick search, this will allow you to preview image thumbnails that are attached to articles in your result list. Over on the right here, image quick view types. The type of images that are displayed as thumbnails can be black and white or color photographs, or if you only want pictures of like graphs, maps, or charts to come up, you can do that too. Now, up here at the top right, under references available, this will list all the references that are cited by the articles that are listed in your result list. Now, publish date, if you want something that's more relevant or more recently published, you can select the month, beginning month, year, and end month and end month and year in order to, let's say if you want something like in the last 5 years, you can this will make it so your topic is more relevant again. So publication type, if you want to select a publication type ahead of time, you can do it. Like say if you wanted to select an academic journal or a periodical or a book or a conference paper, you can do that here. Now, without any limiters, we'll just for our first search, we'll just go ahead and go in raw and type in something really broad, like say librarianship. Click search. Now, looking at the results, you'll notice that we can refine our results over on the left side column of the page. Scrolling down, we can begin to apply limiters according to, let's say, if we want peer-reviewed journal, it automatically updates and then begins to make a difference over here at the top. Now, if we want something more recent, we can apply limiters by moving this measurement here, get something more recent. And then we can also apply limiters by source type, academic journals, subject, by subject, by publication, and publisher. Now, if let's say librarianship is too broad, so we want to get more specific. Let's say if we do academic libraries, that will limit our results down further. Okay, now to customize our search experience, click on page options, and you could say if you only want a result to display the title, you can do that. If you only want the brief, you can do that. If you want them both together, that's fine too. The image quick view, you can switch again if you want, like say thumbnail images, as I mentioned earlier. And you can choose the results per page. If you only want the filters displayed or the content displayed, or if you want them both together, you can do that here. Now on share, if you click on share, if you click on the hyperlink of your key term highlighted in blue here next to the add search to folder, you can add it to your folder here and it'll add automatically. You can also add all the results listed to your folder, or you can create automatic emails to yourself every time a new issue of a journal comes out or new results related to your search become available. You can also copy and paste a permanent link to your results here. Now, to glean the potential of your source, you can put the mouse here over the magnifying glass and paper icon to glean the subject terms and the abstract to determine whether or not the article is even relevant to your topic. You can also add a result to your folder here by clicking on the folder blue and highlighting blue, and there it goes. Now, if we decide that we want to focus on this article has potential, we can go ahead and click on the title, and it will take us to some of the citation information like the title, the source, the publication, the issue, and the page numbers and the date. Now, if we want to download the HTML or PDF in full text, we go over to the left side here and click on, say, PDF, highlight in blue here. And we can begin to read it directly on our own, or if we want to read on our hard drive on our own time, we can go ahead and download it here, and it will do that and save it to our desktop here. So if you have any more questions, feel free to ask, but we will cover a lot more features in the next tutorial in advanced search. Thank you.